Shenzhen ZY Electronic and Technology Company Limited was established in Shenzhen City, Guangdong Province in April 2012. It has successfully gained the National High-Tech Enterprise Certificate and become the Vice President of the Shenzhen Chamber of E-Commerce since 2017. After more than 10 years of sedimentation and development, ZY has grown up to be a leading company of EV charging field in southern China. Also a comprehensive company far ahead of others by strong ability of design and development, large scale of manufacturing, wide layout of market. In 2023, EVChargingStation makes further progress and launches the world's first integrated charging control module unit integration charging stations. It perfectly solved a series of problems caused by the complicated structure and traditional charging stations and promote the new energy charging industry to a new stage of development. EVChargingStation has spent a lot on EV charger stations, not only for AC, family wall-mounted and portable EV chargers, but also for DC EV charging solutions. Innovation fast, service best, happiness most. Based on this vision, we provide a variety of leisure cycling products to global customers. ZY registered brand Cucan and Caraok in both USA and China, and invited Italian structure designer, American software engineers and marketing managers to participate in the R&D process and marketing. Improve the quality of life, show the charm of science and technology. EVChargingStation will continue to focus on customers' demands, innovative research and development, to be the leader of our product fields in the market.